Hi everyone, my name is Wonsugochukwu Alfred and folks call me the online millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. Today I'm going to be introducing you to a new platform actually called Flitaa. It's one of those platforms that I've been using to rake in some little monies here and there using affiliate marketing as a model on the platforms. Okay, so if you are in Nigeria, this video is actually crafted specifically because of you, in view of the crypto ban by the CBN in Nigeria, which the policy which made Nigerians unable to buy and trade crypto directly online. So this platform that I'm introducing now is an opportunity for you to scale that hurdle. So the opportunity is called, again, Flitaa. All right, I opened this account just about 2 weeks ago, thereabout. I'm not certain now. So as you can see now, I've not deposited any money here, and on the day I opened it, I've not even promoted it. So, but I already have 455 naira, 455 naira here. I haven't promoted it yet, and you can imagine what will happen when I promote it. So let me show you how this money came about. I'm gonna go to my history. Okay, so I'm going to my history. On the history, I'm gonna be scrolling. You see on the May 26th by 3:49 p.m. I had someone click on my affiliate, and I had 250. And on May 24th someone clicked on my affiliate by 10:56 p.m. and I had 148. And on May 18th someone clicked on my affiliate and I had 24. So, but apart from that, I also have Shiba Inu distribution on this my account on June the 11th. That was yesterday, and I have 1,000 Shiba Inu. So if this 1,000 Shiba Inu clocks to say $2 per Shiba Inu, maybe in a year time it clocks $2 per Shiba Inu or even $3 per Shiba Inu, that means I will have $3,000 here. That is minus my affiliate money. So I'm gonna take you around the platform now, so I show you exactly how the platform is and how easy it is to use. So this is my deposit, this is my withdrawal. Assuming I want to buy crypto, I'm not the one that deposited this one. This money came through my affiliate. So say I want to deposit crypto. What I'm going to do is to click on deposit. So it's asking cash deposit in naira, NGN, that's naira. How much do you want to deposit? I can say I want to deposit 100,000. I can click continue. Okay, 100,000, and it's saying select a verified merchant from the list. So automatically the system paired me with a merchant called Loniabari, and the system is asking me to pay 100,000 to Loniabari to give me 100,000 worth of Bitcoin. Okay. It's asking me to pay to Loniabari. So Loniabari happens to be a merchant for Flitaa. Okay, so if I pay this money to Loniabari, what is going to happen is that Loniabari is going to credit this my wallet here with 100k digital money, 100k digital naira. So, but I am not going to do that for now. I am not ready to fund this account now. So that's not what we're about here. Assuming I want to deposit, I want to receive Bitcoin. So you can generate a new address here. Okay, if I want to receive this send, this is receive. So you have not generated any address for Bitcoin, so I can generate a Bitcoin address. So this Bitcoin address, please send only Bitcoin to this address. So, and don't forget that this is about deposit. We are not talking about receiving now. This is my Bitcoin wallet for Flitaa. So it's saying that if I have another account, or maybe someone wants to pay me, that once I've generated this account, I should just copy it. This crypto wallet, okay, that I should copy it and send to that address, or I can use QR scanner to scan this QR code here so that I can send the Bitcoin amount that I want. So that's for deposit. So the same way, you want to deposit Ethereum or Binance Coin or Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash or Dash or Binance USD token or Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or PancakeSwap or Uniswap. It's the same process that I just showed you that you can also use to make this deposit. So I'm going to take you away from here. So we come to withdrawal. Say I want to withdraw this cash. If it's Naira you want to withdraw, you can just click on cash withdrawal in Naira. Select bank. So my bank is already here with my bank account. I can just click on this, and if I want to withdraw all of the money, I follow the process there and withdraw, but I'm not ready to withdraw that money, so let it stay there. So you can follow here. It's just an easy thing to do. The amount is here, so it's saying I should withdraw 500, okay, but I don't have up to 500 there, so I have to lower down the money. Same way, if I want to withdraw Bitcoin, I can just come to here and say input the Bitcoin address where I want to move this money to. Okay, I input the Bitcoin address. If it's another coin that I want to withdraw, I can simply click on this to select any other coin that I want to withdraw. Then I'll enter the amount of Bitcoin, say 0.000005. That is, you must know the amount of Bitcoin that you want to withdraw, what it's worth in Naira. Then you just click send and you send it to that wallet address, and that's all about it, and it will simply withdraw. So that's about withdrawal. Okay, I forgot to also show you something. So in the withdrawal, let's say I want to take Ethereum, the same process. So when you are going back, it will now give you an option to swap. Assuming I have Bitcoin and I want to swap to Bitcoin, so I have Ethereum and I want to swap the Ethereum to Doge. You can simply come here. Okay, so you don't have Ethereum to Doge, but you have Ethereum to Binance USD. So let's say I want to swap 0.005 Ethereum, so it will give me 11.5, so 12 approximately. It's going to give me 12 Binance USD. Okay, 0.005 Ethereum gives me 11.5 Binance USD. So I just click here and say swap ETH. So I'm just going to go back here. So you can also use these icons, send, receive, exchange, to go there. So this is the Bitcoin price for today in Naira. So if you are using desktop like myself, this is your invite your friends and earn. So this is where you want to go. This one of the important places that you want to go. So you can simply come here and click invite, and you copy this link. Click on copy link. Once you copy link, you can share it on your WhatsApp list, or on your Facebook page, or on your Facebook profile. You just do a little bit of marketing by writing a very professional copy, about Flitaa and the offers or the affiliate offers that Flitaa is offering with this code, so that once people click on it, register their account and form their account, you get paid, and you get paid for life. So look at what it says, saying Invite your friends to join Flitaa and earn 0.5% on every transaction they make for life. Man, this is something else. This is something else for life. So far, the person continues using Flitaa. Every single transaction made by that person, you get 0.5. Isn't that interesting? So if you are using a mobile phone, so you can click here for Android users to go to Google Play, or for iOS users to go to App Store to download Flitaa app on your phone. So it depends on what you use. The next place we are going to is the exchange, but before then, these are the coins that are listed here. So on top here you have the digital wallet, the Naira wallet. Then you have, of course, BTC for Bitcoin. Then you have ETH for Ethereum. Then you have BNB. You have Binance coin. Then you have LTC for Litecoin. Then you have BCH for Bitcoin Cash. Then you can click here to see all the tokens that are available on this platform for trading. So when you go to after BCH, you have Dash, you have Binance USD, you have Shiba Inu, you have Doge, you have Cake, you have Uniswap. That's Cake, Pancake Swap. You have Uniswap. So the next thing you want to do is to go to the exchange. So this is the exchange where you can simply buy, sell, or convert. So if you click on convert, so it takes you to this place directly. So there's not, you see that the system is very easy to use. So on the history side of it, you have all the details of your transactions, affiliate registrations, and if you deposit or you withdraw, all of them are going to appear. All of them are going to be appearing down here for you to keep track of what you are doing on the system. So the next thing you want to do is to go to your profile. If you are new, or like me, I have done all of this, so you can increase. You can see here I am on level 2, and you can see my name here, Gochukwu, and I can decide to increase the limit here, but level 2 is just cool. And at level 2, what you need to do is to verify your email and verify your phone number, and as well add your bank details. For security here, you click on security here if you want to change your password or you want to change your login. Then the next thing you might want to do here is to click on invite friends. This is invite friends, and you just click like I showed you earlier and copy. And another thing here is your profile. Okay, so you can click on your name, hello Gochukwu. You can click on this and it brings you to this place. So yeah, your profile details, you want to see if it's correct, you can just click on your profile details. So this is my profile details, so you can just remove that. That's about the exchange Flitaa. So I'm going to show you the mail that was sent to me so that you will see that all of this is real. So I'm going to my email, look at the mail that they sent me yesterday. They said, hello Gochukwu, we appreciate you for taking this ride with us so far as we build the best crypto wallet made for beginners. You can see that the crypto wallet is made specifically for beginners, newbies. Okay, as we build the best crypto wallet made for beginners and people who love simplicity, in 5 weeks since our launch, we've added 5 more tokens. That is, the platform is 5 weeks, being one of the first platforms in Africa to implement Binance Smart Chain. We just had BTC, BCH, and LTC at launch. That is 3 coins at launch. But today they have added more 5, making it a total of 8 coins. So they're saying now you can trade, hold, and earn ETH, that is Ethereum. You can hold BUSD, Binance USD, BNB, Dash, Cake, Doge, Shiba Inu, and we promise you more are coming with the best rates around. We launched our mobile apps on both Android and iOS platforms. You can get them here. If you want to get them, you click on the link. Then they also said that we have distributed 1,000 Shiba Inu to every Flitaa. You can check your wallet. It may not be much, however, we simply want to appreciate you for coming around on board Shiba Inu. On board Shiba Inu might just get, we appreciate you for coming on board. So Shiba Inu might just get to $1 in a year time. Don't forget that you earn 0.5% on every transaction carried out by people you invite to join. So what are you waiting for? Remember, say all day, every day, Flitaa day for you. PC Flitaa product chief. So if I haven't promoted this the way I promote stuff, and I'm having, that's what I want you to understand, and I'm having 455. What happens when I take this to places like YouTube? Okay, look at this video. I'm using this video to promote a graphic design platform. Okay, my affiliate link on a graphic design platform. Look at this. I have over 17,984 views on this single video alone. So what happens when I promote Flitaa with the affiliate link of my Flitaa account on this platform? What do you think that is going to happen? And at the same time, I extend it to Quora. What do you think that is going to happen? So I will leave that to you. You be the judge. You answer that question by yourself. So if you want to learn how to make money on Flitaa, if you want to learn how to earn affiliate, to earn through your affiliate link on Flitaa and earn free coin as well on Flitaa, please, in the comment section of this video on this YouTube channel, comment, I want to learn how to earn using affiliate marketing as a model, okay, with the Flitaa opportunity. Then as well, hit the on the get started below the description box, hit the link after the get started to create your free account on Flitaa and promote it on your WhatsApp lists or your WhatsApp groups, your Facebook page, so you can start earning. If you want to learn how to get traffic from YouTube, get traffic from Quora, do email marketing and stuff, hit me inbox. You can also send your questions under the comment section under this video, under the description box of this video. I'm gonna respond to you right on time. So from now, it's gonna be goodbye, and I remain your friend, Alfred. Till I come your way next time, I love you. Bye.